Reason number 3 that many people do not reach their goals is that their goal is only a thought. So I'm still talking about resonance, about how a goal is resonating with you as a person. And reason number 2 was that your goal did not resonate with your principles. And now in reason number 3, I'm talking about that your goal doesn't resonate with your body. Nowadays, we live such a virtual life. We are always only in our thoughts, and it's for some people it's really hard to feel their body at all. It's as if they would not need it, or maybe just for walking or something like that, for carrying their brains around and nothing more. So for many people, they don't feel what they think. There's this saying that you have to bring it down to earth, that you have to earth people, that you have to be more grounded. And this is what many people are lacking. So they just make up in their mind that it would be good to reach that and that goal, but they don't involve their bodies. And involving the body means mainly involving the senses, that you perceive it with your senses, with your seeing, your hearing, your feeling, and even tasting and smelling. So when you set up a new goal, you really have to see yourself, how it looks when you succeed, when you reach that goal. And you even have to hear what you yourself are saying, or maybe other people cheering you that you reached it, or any sounds that come to your mind. And you have to feel it. You really have to feel what it feels like that you have reached it. And maybe you even have a taste or a smell on it. And as long as your body isn't put in alignment with reaching your goal, as long as it is just a thought, it's like a thought bubble, it's nothing more. It's disconnected from your body. And so your subconscious, again, will knock you out. Your subconscious will sabotage you on the way to reach your goal. So in step 1 and 2, we will talk about how to get your body into alignment with your goals, because this is very important.